Yo, what's happening, boys and girls? How the devil are we? Shanksy here, and today we have got a new reaction video for you. We're going to be checking out LoveBirds, all right? The LoveBirds 2020 official trailer. I don't know, man. Someone asked me to react to this, and I was like, look, I'll put my hands up. I'm not really the lovey-dovey notebook type of guy, you know. It's not really me. And like my current whole relationship thing going on, like, I don't want to watch no romance movie. But he was like, nah, Shanks, trust me. Have a little look, see what you think. I want to see your reaction. So I'm like, all right, you know what? He's asked for it. Let's do it. Let's have a little look. I don't know what to expect, man. I don't know what to expect. So we are checking out the LoveBirds 2020 official trailer from Paramount Pictures. Let's have a little look.
You are unbelievable. Looks like love has finally found me.
All right. All right. Oh, man, really? Really? The old, like, when lovers finally found me, one couple. Oh, great. Yeah, good for them. Yay. This ain't my type of thing, man. What are you doing to me? Dear, oh dear, oh dear. That defines their relationship.
Police officer, he's a criminal. Move.
Alright, that weren't going where I was expecting it. That weren't going where I was expecting it at all. Can you imagine that? You're looking your significant other's eyes. I love you. Boom! Hell's about to break loose. All right, cool. All right, it's picking up. Let's see where it goes. Oh! That ain't no police maneuver. Oh, snap! His face! Look at his face! It was, at that point, he knew he done fucked up. Shit. That is the face of this geezer ain't old Bill. Okay, alright. I see now why the reaction video was requested. Alright, fair play. Oh, we're going again!
I don't think he's a cop.
Okay, where is this going, man? What is going on?
Yeah, we know he's dead, but we didn't kill him.
He like to report a murder or whatever.
We didn't murder anybody.
1, 2, 3, go. No.
Jabron!
Okay, the guy's name is Jabron,
Run, Leilani.
and the girl's name's actually Leilani.
Dear, oh dear. Now look, I don't know who's doing any shady shit out there, right? But yeah, don't be shouting your names out if you're planning on doing the off, you know? Like, dear, oh dear, oh dear.
She's running too now, kind of slow, like she's wearing heels that look actually amazing.
We have to go to the police because we have nothing to hide.
Why don't you run from the scene of the crime?
Good point.
Question, officer.
That's me covering up my body cam so I can beat your ass.
Dear, oh dear, I've got to be fair, man. I was like, what is this? What is this film? Why are we reacting to it? I was not expecting this. This looks quality. Oh, man.
We're so fucked. We just need to find the guy the police are looking for.
That's what you want to do. You ever want to hide, you know, you ever want to go incognito, that is the look. That is the look. Alright? Ain't nobody wearing that if they want to draw attention to themselves, you know? Dear, oh dear, oh dear.
You suggesting we actually go out there and solve a murder? It's locked. Did you think it was one of those men-only doors?
Oh, the hill! Oh, the hill went. Oh, dear. Where is this set? Where's this set?
All we need is a name, and then we're in the clear.
Hey, man, it's been a minute. Who the fuck are you?
You are, you little bitch, you little beanbag ballless bitch. Yeah.
You little beanbag ballless bitch. What does that even mean? Oh my days, what is going on?
Do you think about your grandma and that furry beanbag bitch?
What? These people are super dangerous and they're really powerful.
Where's going? That's some oh, what was that? Eyes wide shut shit going on there, man. The old masquerade ball.
This is some Handmaid's Tale bullshit.
Handmaid's Tale.
Impostors.
Oh no, imposters, that sucks.
Everyone unmask yourself.
Oh shit. Nobody else took their masks.
He's got that look again. He's got that look that he had back in the car, like, oh shit. I done did it again. This is quality, man. Oh, when is this out? I need this film in my life.
I'm gonna give you lovebirds a choice. What's behind this door or bacon grease to the face?
I don't want grease on my face. Is it gonna shit on me?
Oh! Oh! A horse kick to the chest. Dude! I know if you've seen John Wick, right? I know if you've seen John Wick 3. You ain't surviving that. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. But saying that, you don't want bacon grease on the face either. Like, I get in my beard. Dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Take the grease.
Mate, you are not talking after that. I don't care. That's like one of them Home Alone things, right? You are not talking. The horse has just kicked you in your chest. Like horsepower. Like the things that make cars go fast is horsepower. Right? They ain't named after that because they're not powerful. Shit, you ain't talking, man. Your chest has exploded. Bad times going in there. Internal bleeding, the lot. That looks absolutely quality, man. Absolutely quality. Let's have a little look. When did it say it was coming out? In theatres, April 3rd. Guys, let me know what you thought. Let me know if you're going to be checking out the LoveBirds. I'll put my hands up, man. I'm not. I was 1,000,000% not checking it out for the first 30 seconds of this this video, right? And then all of a sudden I'm like, I'm checking it out, man. I'm checking it out. Guys, hope you've enjoyed the reaction video. As always, let me know down in the comments below if there's anything out there that you'd like me to react to, and if you are going to go check out the LoveBirds. But until next time, boys and girls, I shall see you on the flip side. You take it easy.